welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm J Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I am doing a review and tutorial using the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam Eyeshadow Palette. I'm not going to tell you what I think about it yet. You'll have to watch the video. So we might as well get into the video. But before we do that, please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below because I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see how I created this look and what highlighter I used for it to be so damn hoppin', and what I think about this palette, then please continue watching. Today I'm going to be doing a full tutorial, and within that tutorial I am going to be reviewing the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam Eyeshadow Palette. So these colors are absolutely stunning, and there's one color in particular that is calling out to me, and that is this shade right here. This is called Evil Eye. And then another shade that's also calling out to me is the Moonchild, but I think today I'm going to go with Evil Eye. I'm going to do some swatches right now to show you how all these shades swatch. So here are the swatches of the Rustic Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Now that I have swatched them, all of these colors are calling out my name. I honestly love the way all of these shades swatched. So in order from top to bottom, we have Fringe, Evil Eye, Free Spirit, Cactus, Dreamcatcher, Wildflower, Suede, Bohemian, Desert Queen, Wanderlust, Moonchild, and Gypsy. So first we're going to start with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. On a Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, I'm going to go into Evil Eye. With the Morphe M411 brush, I'm going to go into Fringe. With the Alchemist packing brush, I'm going to go into Dreamcatcher. I am going to put on some liner, but I'm not winging it out. I just want to apply some lashes, so I want to make sure the lash band is hidden. And to do that, I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner in black. Next, I'm going to move on to mascara, and today I'm going to be using the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara. Next, I'm going to apply some lashes, and today I'm using the Dodo lashes in the style D115. I do have a discount code with Dodo lashes. These lashes are super inexpensive, so that's why my discount code is only for 5%, but they are amazing lashes. I absolutely love these lashes. I have like 6 pairs. So use J Castro MUA at checkout when you want to buy some lashes, because these lashes are great. And I will also write it in the description box below, just so you have it. Do you see this? This is my first time wearing this style. Damn. Damn. These are very in your face, very fierce, but they're also very nice. Next, I'm going to move on to brows, and today I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. To clean up the brow, I'm going to use a L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in Classic Ivory. So I'm actually going to move on to this side of the face, catch up with this eye, and I will be right back. I'm back and I finished this eye. Next, we're actually going to move on to the face before we finish off with the eyes. The first product we're using on the face is the Touch in Sol No PoreBlem Prime Essence. Today I am using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Y225. Concealer today, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2 Vanilla. To set the concealer, I am using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10, which is Fair Light. Add some dimension to the face. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in Mocha, and I'm actually going to use a Morphe R14 brush to apply that. To bronze up the face, I am using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. With a Morphe M401 brush, we are going to sweep the excess powder off. For blush today, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Satin Powder Blush in Modern Mandarin on a Glamour Dolls brush. Next, we are going to finish off the eyes. With the Morphe M168 brush, I'm going to go into Bohemian. And with a Royal and Langnickel Omnia Balm 40 shader brush, I'm going to go back into Evil Eye. In the waterline, I'm going to apply the Maybelline New York Khol eyeliner in Matita Oki. It's the shade 520. Bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. For highlight today, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette, and I'm going to go into Sapphire. I'm going to finish my other eye and finish highlighting this side of the face, and I'll be right back. I'm back and I have finished this side of the face, and like, check out this freaking highlight. Damn, it's insane. It's so good. Anyways, this is actually one of my favorite lip shades. It's just a simple nude, but it's a lip shade that literally goes with any look that you do. So it's perfect for this look because the eyes and the highlight are so crazy that I just want to not have the lips so crazy. They're going to be a little bit more subtle. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Ludwig. Lastly, we're going to set the face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, so that about wraps up my tutorial. I just wanted to give you a review on the eyeshadow palette that I used. And this again is the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam Eyeshadow Palette. I honestly love, love, love this palette. These blues are stunning. I used both Evil Eye and Dreamcatcher and they look so beautiful on the eyes. And just when I swatched all of the other shades, they were so pretty. These shades are so, so, so easy to blend. I love them. I honestly love them. I cannot wait to try the other shades in this palette because if they're as good as these are, then Jesus, I will have no issues. I absolutely love this palette. In terms of fallout, obviously when you're packing shadow on, you will have some fallout, but it wasn't even that bad. I absolutely love this palette. This is stunning. A+, 10 out of 10. Go get this palette. It's beautiful. That wraps up my review / tutorial using the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Today I am... Okay, no. Nope. So we'll do some swatches right now to show you how all this... We'll do some swatches right now to show you how all the shades swatch. With my code, you'll save 5%. Next, we're actually going to move on to the... I'm going to use the Maybelline No, that's not Maybelline. It's not Maybelline. Touch and Sol No PoreBlem. It's always this product. Oh my god. It's the Touch and Sol No PoreBlem It's the Touch and Sol No Problem. Fourth time's the charm. The Touch and Sol No Problem. I am using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. To bronze up the face, I am using the MAC Cosmetics MAC Cosmetics Satin Powder Brush.